I don't know why I am writing this tonight. Maybe because my hands won't stop shaking. Maybe because sleep refuses to come. Maybe because her voice is still echoing in my ears. It has been 1 year, but that night still feels fresh, like a cold hand on my neck. The night I almost died. Or maybe the night she almost took me with her. I remember sitting in the school library. I remember the smell of old books, dust, and fear I didn't yet recognize. Exams were closed and the library was open till 11 pm. I went at 6 pm and lost myself in notes. When I finally looked up, the clock screamed 10 pm at me. Everyone was gone, even the librarian, even the noise. I packed my books, but that sound, those footsteps, slow dragging, scraping the floor like someone pulling a dead leg. I stepped out of the library. The corridor was dim, flickering, almost breathing. And then I saw a woman at the far end, still bent wrong. I whispered, "Who's there?" She vanished. Just like that, gone, my skin turned ice. I rushed outside. The whole street was empty, too empty. Even the air felt scared to move. I stared at the ground. Then I sighted another shadow beside mine. Thin, long, trembling. I looked up. She was there, limping, dragging one foot like it didn't belong to her. Her arms twisted like broken sticks. Her head bent to one side like her neck had snapped long ago. I tried to stop walking. My legs didn't listen. My breath hurt in my chest. She slowed down until I was right behind her. I smelled something rotten, like wet earth and something dead. And then, oh God, I can still see it. She titled her head backward, not normal, backward, all the way like her spine snapped open. Her face was cracked, pale, hollow, like a broken mask. Her mouth stretched wide, and her voice, that horrible voice. "Have you seen my daughter?" I felt my soul leave me. I pointed somewhere in the dark, unable to speak. She stared for too long, like she wanted to climb, inside my skin and read my thoughts. Then she limped away into the darkness, into the nothing. I tried to run, but her scream split the night open. Her scream, sharp wild, full of rage, the pain. I blacked out right there. Neighbors found me lying unconscious on the road. They said I was shaking, eyes open but not awake. I still don't know what I saw. But I learned later a woman lost her daughter at our school years ago. She couldn't bear the pain. She ended her life searching for her child. And now her spirit still searches, still wanders, still cries, still screams. And some nights I feel a shadow beside mine again. Long, thin, trembling. Like she is still following me, still asking me, still whispering, "Have you seen my daughter?"